Checking out this, opening up the box here that it ships in. And you can see it comes in the case with a nice plastic bag. Nice hard case. Fly drone on both sides. Taking a look. We've got good hinges on the back. We've got a rugged design. We've got a handle with a hinge. A pressure relief valve there. Places to lock the case. Clips. Open it up here. We've got some instructions. Nice card. And because it's 2 layers, there's these strings that let you lift up the first layer. It's got a rigid base and then a foam top. All your different things for your cameras and your gimbals. And then we've got this section. And what's nice is these pieces can come out depending on your assortment or your setup. You can customize it to the different situations. This is a really nice setup in a rigid case to let you get the most room possible and have all that protection. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.